Run the rhythm, my general. Yo, 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 yo. Scholars up in your town. Tell me how my sound. Scholar there we no in a waste talk. Give me the mic, you no see the place cock. No violate member, your face mark is a big fireball a turn in a base park. Mali pan the rocker so the day start. The shoes pa me belly love the race start. Catch them in a betting shop and study race chart. Walk in, something red a runner so the race start. Girl them fi fit like a athlete a march. I grade a kick and the athlete for scotch. Back shake a arch for the hot piece of touch. From she link up with the scholars she no stop feature mark this. Larry stand back to Tradija Park. Feds them we roll out with a piece of chalk. Ras Peter Rat them know the street a dark. Man we bleed out a tank till the gas reach a quarter. Me nah prove you no see me can't lose. Me dark move with a mini small shoes. The brawl huge, them a bring it on news. Ever have it anywhere you see me car cruise. Me have it anywhere you see me car cruise. Ever have it anywhere you see me car cruise. Cut up the push, go get the grabber, get the rum. Stack up the mali and nobody make it done. Me mother say me a go have a messy long. Me get high under the push, it's like the god that left it ground there. From a war we never call up and a run. I say them bad where them a roll up and a bun. Pay them a visit, me go solo man a stun. So no true, you see me cleaning and me polo man a scum. Hey, me no do job enough for me no macalum. Them no iron and me no see none a column. Me knock it like the man we sit down back a jump. If a taxi man a run the road a everywhere we run. But me nah prove you no see me can't lose. Me dark move with a mini small shoes. The brawl huge, them a bring it on news. Ever have it anywhere you see me car cruise. Hey, me have it anywhere you see me car cruise. Ever have it anywhere you see me car cruise.
All right, Blakk Tahlent, me I tell you, your word already there, no brother. Well excited. When you be Blakk Tahlent, we can move to the first judging right now. Nero, what you have to what you think about Blakk Tahlent performance? And we do respect you for that apology you just did just now. Nero, wagwan.
All right, that's a 7 for me for the performance, the lyrical content. So 7 for me.
For me, I appreciate the fact that you can have some consciousness to say, okay, something wasn't right, and apologize to who was here. I want to just go into it real quick and give you a 6 because I like the old school vibe. I like you always bring something nice and fun to the table.
All right, big up Keisha Las Vegas. So you mean I get a 6. Counselor Edwards.
Not to delay. I gave you a 7, you know.
All right, a 7 from the counselor. Lady Tash.
Remember this rhythm. Prom prom. That was a healthy performance. Love the energy. You was on point. I give you a 9.
All right, you're loving it. You're loving it. Our general. Blakk Tahlent.
Yeah, we
here.
love the rhythm choice for sure, so we still stick to our roots and our culture and our dancehall. You know what I mean? So I love that where the eye forward with. You see me I did, but at the same time, you know, say a big rhythm this and a big song upon them rhythm. You see me I deal with, so when you have forward upon them rhythm, you have to take away the big song out of our brain. We can listen it and hear, she have a healthy body.
Yeah.
She, and she will shoot you with it. You that's when me I deal with, so, you see me when it a play still, so for me, I don't give a 6 my general, you see me?
All right, our general, thank you for that one. Ain't no problem. You know what I mean? Big up yourself, my boss. Yeah. All right, let's say the 100% Jamaican talent.